Unlock the secrets to studying like a pro. 10 expert tips for success. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to get the most out of studying. Step 1. Set clear goals. Why? Knowing what you want to achieve helps direct your focus. How? Break down big tasks into specific, measurable goals. Write them down to stay accountable. Step 2. Create a study schedule. Why? Consistency builds discipline and helps retain information. How? Plan study sessions in advance that start and end times and include breaks like Google Calendar or a paper planner. Step 3. Find your optimal learning environment. Why? Your environment affects your ability to concentrate. How? Use a quiet, clutter-free space. Use noise-canceling headphones if necessary and eliminate distractions like phones or TV. Step 4. Use active learning techniques. Why? Active learning enhances retention and understanding. How? Try techniques like summarizing information, teaching it to someone else, using flashcards, or applying concepts to real-life scenarios. Step 5. Practice spaced repetition. Why? Revisiting information at intervals helps long-term retention. How? Use tools like Anki or Quizlet for spaced repetition. Review notes after 24 hours, then a few days later, and again after a few weeks. Step 6. Focus on understanding, not memorization. Why? Deep understanding leads to better recall during tests. How? Ask questions about the material, explore the why and how, and connect new information with what you already know. Step 7. Take regular breaks. Pomodoro technique. Why? Breaks prevent breakout and increase focus. How? Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. Step 8. Stay hydrated and well-nourished. Why? Your brain needs fuel to function optimally. How? Drink water, eat healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and avoid sugary or heavy foods that can lead to energy crashes. Step 9. Test yourself regularly. Why? Self-assessment helps gauge your progress and identify weak areas. How? Use practice tests, quizzes, or past exams to test your knowledge. Analyze mistakes to understand where to improve. Step 10. Reward yourself. Why? Celebrating small wins keeps motivation high. How? After completing tasks, give yourself rewards like watching a favorite show, going for a walk, or enjoying a treat. And there you have it, your roadmap to mastering the art of studying. Remember, it is not about how long you study, but how smart you study. With these steps, you are not just unlocking the doors to better grades, you are opening gateways to new opportunities, growth, and success in all areas of your life. Keep pushing forward, stay positive, and always believe in the magic within you. You've got this. As the great Albert Einstein once said, learning is not a product of schooling, but the lifelong attempt to acquire it. So take what you have learned today and turn it into your superpower. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little study magic in their life. Until next time, keep shining, stay unstoppable.